Imagine starting with just $80 and trying to turn that into $1,200 in 5 days. It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what I set out to do. In this video, I'll walk you through every trade I make and the strategy behind it. Will I be able to reach the goal, or will the markets keep me from hitting that target? Let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out, because I promise you the results might not be what you expect. Be sure, if you haven't, to hit the subscribe button and hit like, and let's get straight into it. You might be thinking to yourself, this is impossible. How do I even plan on doing this? Simple answer. My Funded Futures. As you can see here, we can get a starter account for $80 a month. So let's go ahead and pass it and then get into actually trading the sim funded so we can make some money. I didn't want to bore you guys to death with trading an evaluation account. So as we can see here, we've got our net profit to 3,024 and we've passing our target profit of 3,000. So let's go ahead and hop to the sim funded account and see how the first days have treated us. Passing that account the week prior, we've went ahead and traded 4 days, and we're going to go ahead and cover these 4 days where we've netted almost $800 with the trade of $100, another 100, $500, and then 130. All we need now is a couple hundred more dollars to be able to get to 1200 and be able to request a withdrawal. We also need one more trading day with 5 days traded above 100 on a 50K account to be able to withdraw. You can see here on the 27th, I took 3 attempts long with a $540 winner, averaging out the losses with a $100 winning day. And we can see that long that I took here, after sweeping this low resistance into a high time frame PDA below, we accumulate first purge, second purge, double purge the low into a turtle soup and redelivery, and we saw into the 950, into the 1010, we deliver the high, and this was right around where I longed. I think I probably got stopped out here on this first candle, probably trying to enter this order block, anticipating this 3 candle model. Right, re-entered, either held to this high or this high, depending, it wasn't, if I would have held to this high, I would have made more, but the consistency rule is, in their place for that. But continuing on, let's go to the next day. We can see our next trade was on the 28th, where we longed at 9 a.m. Let's go ahead and hop into that one. I don't have the 1 minute time frame, but we can almost see the same type of execution here with an accumulation, manipulation into 9 a.m. open, and then anticipating right this high, these highs, and these equal highs here to be taken out. I probably longed light risk at this order block after closing above where I don't have a lower time frame, but after souping, closing back inside the range, liquidating our previous down closure candle, closing back within inside the range, and then using that from external back to internal. Coming into the 29th, where we have our biggest day. We long at 8:30. Let's go ahead and hop into that one. So this one was a continuation play with news, where I had originally turtle souped and longed on a different account here, and didn't end up holding, ended up taking profit inside of the gap here, and then waking up the next morning and seeing we were continuing into having 8:30 news as well. We'll go back a little bit here, see on the 5 minute, our structure here into where we delivered news at. In the situation with news here, I saw that we had, swept internal into this FEG, with the order block breaker, however you want to look at it, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and using that previous down close candle to support price higher to external here. And then I'm pretty sure I took profit somewhere within the order block. Can't quite remember. Somewhere around there. Yeah, it wasn't perfect, but you don't need it to be perfect when you're just trying to catch a simple internal to external move after finding your protected low, order block closed above, able to enter, and then find your external above these highs. Maybe end up looking to these highs, right? But this is all we needed for that day to be able to stay consistent and be able to, catch trades day by day, be able to slowly raise the P&L of the account from 0 to 1200 and be able to successfully process a payout. Coming into August 30th, right? We see we long again at 8:30 for another $130 win. I probably took profit on this one a bit early, but we see after our 8:30 news, sweep the buy side into our sell side delivery and rejecting back inside the range. See, this is our first purge, second purge, delivering from our 6 a.m. open low into our FEG after displacing and reaccumulating above an old high. True turtle soup delivery with displacement to another reaccumulation. Delivery higher, internal to external. With news, we sweep, reject inside the range, and displace very quickly lower with a false market structure shift into our order block and with our internal soup into our protected low. Also rejecting the OT level 6879, failing to close and delivering higher. Pretty sure I probably bought somewhere within here and then took partials into the breaker slash order block because, this was like 100 ticks and all I needed was $100. Drum roll, please, because this is the moment you've all been waiting for. The 5th day, the final trading day. Will I get a payout? Will I blow the account on the final day? Here you go. $456. 30 fucking trades. Sorry, it's hard to get out. It's almost funny. Did I do this as a joke? Did I do it seriously? The world may never know. But I know for one thing is that I turned $80 into $1,200 with this $1,200 withdrawal. And then, I bought one mini and instantly blew the account because I thought I had $139, but I only had $39. But still, at the end of the day, profit's profit. $80 to $1,200. So what should be your big takeaway from this video? Right, you don't need a lot of money to get started. $80, right? You just need the right strategy, the right mindset, and the right discipline to be able to follow through. Obviously, 30 trades is not discipline. The first 4 days is perfectly how you wanted to see it. And for day 5 here, like I said, could be a joke, could be for real. That's for you to decide and for you to also do on your own. Get to the 5th day and send your results. Comment how you feel on that 5th day before getting paid out, before you know that's all you need is 1 day. And let me know how you guys feel in the comment section. Be sure to like the video, subscribe if you enjoyed, and don't be surprised because I'm not showing 30 trades. I'm not overviewing 30 trades. Some of them I probably just hit buy and sell really quickly, to be honest. But right, if you guys want to see more breakdowns, more tutorials, more trading content, all of the above, like I said, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace out.